I spent 14 years in the school. I had a great experience. I love the school. I'll miss the school a lot. And even my friends, principal, teachers, and who all supported me for my board exams.
I've been staying in the school since 14 years. I've had very nice experiences and very sweet memories with my teachers as well as my friends. It's been a good experience overall. Thank you.
I'm Kevin, and the school has helped me in every endeavor which I have achieved. It has helped me in many ways. The teachers, the students, even the non-working faculty have been a very strong support to me.
I've been a part of DPS for like 12 years now, more than a decade, and the changes that have been in the campus has been like humongous, and everything has changed, like from the faculty to the teachers to the students, and trust me, the change has been so positive, so beautiful, that we're also happy to be here. We're like so incredible because the teachers are so great, the management, everything has been so supportive with us, and we were like the first batch of DPS, and we're the first 10th grade, we're the first 9th grade, and we feel honored. I feel honored.
I've been in this school since 13 years, since pre-nursery basically, and the school has never failed to make me proud. So I also hope that I'll make the school proud one day.
I have been in the school since past 13 years, since pre-primary. It's been an amazing journey. The teachers and all my friends, I'm going to miss everyone in the school. I want to thank the school for giving us the wonderful opportunities throughout the year. Thank you so much.
This has been a journey of 13 years for DPS MH by me. I joined DPS MH in 2013. It's been a wonderful journey. All the memories and fond. I'll miss DPS Mahindrals very, very much. It has been a very important part of my life. This 13 years has not been, a single day where I did not feel welcome. Every day was as welcoming as, how the atmosphere is always. It is a very wonderful school. All thanks to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Komria Sir, and all the loving. Thank you, everyone. That's it.
I want to thank all the 9th graders to make a farewell like this, which made a successful one. And the next part is that I would like to thank all my teachers, especially Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Bharti Ma'am, who had encouraged me a lot. And yeah, thank you.
So we've been students in DPS Mahindrals for almost 13 years now, and this is our first 10th batch, and we are really excited that we have the opportunity to be able to give them a farewell, because even during the time where we weren't able to speak properly, they were with us, and we are feeling a little bit heartbroken but also excited for them.
Like some of my great friends are here, and like I want to wish them a goodbye, I want to give them a goodbye, but I'm sad that they're going and they're going away.
I want to give them a farewell, but I exactly don't want to give them. I want them to stay in the school. So they're very good friends of mine. So I want to give them a farewell, and I don't at the same time.
I'm feeling very sad that all the moments are becoming memories here, and feeling also heartbroken because I'll miss all my friends and all. It's also happy, so yeah, that's all.
Yeah, it was very fun. The amount of memories are insane. I would love to live the 10th class again with the same friends, same teachers, and everyone.
We have really good memories in this school, and it's been many years. I've been in 10 to 12 years in this school, and I'm really gonna miss it. No words for this school. School has gave me a lot of things, and which I can't even forget. It's really amazing to be in this school, and the teachers and our principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, they're amazing. They taught us everything.
12 years in this school is a beautiful journey. We created strong bonds with our teachers. We learned too many things and made beautiful memories. It's just the best school. It's like a second home, I'd call it. It's amazing.
The number of memories the school holds is so many, it's countless. I'm very thankful to all the teachers who taught us and who didn't. My friends who play a big major role in my life, I'm very, very happy.
I can't believe this day has come, our farewell. We quite literally grew up here, we grew up together, and this might be the end of our 10th grade, but this journey will hold a very special place in our hearts.
I'm really glad to be part of the school memories. The school has taught so many things, in fact, and I don't think this is my last day in school, because the memories I'll cherish is forever.
It's a wonderful experience being part of DPS. It's been 9 years, and yeah, happy to be a part of this show. It's really great to be in this school. It's been 10 years. I've been in the school since first class. So it's really great to again, I have to say goodbye to the school. So I'm really sad, but then I'm happy at the same time because 10th is almost over.
So you're going to fly with the wings, with a lot of confidence, lot of strength that was given to you from the school, strength that was reposed in you by your teachers, and a lot of opportunities. School has never left any stone unturned. Your batch is very lucky for DPS Mahendra Hills because your batch brought in affiliation for the school. Your batch brought in a new wing of our school, that is the Cambridge wing. Your batch brought in a lot of inter-school associations and exchange programs. Your batch made it a reality for a teacher who could go on an international level. Your batch became a reality for our children to have the Indian flag taken higher and higher. So you're very special to our heart, specifically because as promised when you moved to grade 10, I would be here. And I think that became a reality. A lot of children brought accolades for themselves and the school. That became a reality. Yes, this Udan that you're going to take in a few months from now will have to have a direction of your own. Your alma mater is always open, with open arms, to receive you again and again. Thank you so much, Sunita Rao ma'am. I'm just telling them, ma'am is our founder headmistress. Can we give her? Many of you, when you were little babies, you were interviewed by Sunita Rao ma'am, who is our director now. Under her guidance, all of us have grown tall. That little baby whom ma'am had interviewed many years ago, 13 years ago, maybe 11 or 12 years ago, and today is ready, ma'am, to fly. Fly with the kind of trust that we have reposed in them, with the kind of confidence that they would carry with themselves. Children, remember, foundation is the strongest part of any person. And today, we are very, very confident that we have nurtured you well and you are ready to take your flight. Thank you so much. It would be unfair if I do not acknowledge grade 9 that had really journeyed during their pre-finals to make this a reality. Thank you.
Keep it up, dear children. May you always make the flag of DPS Mahendra Hills fly high wherever you are in the world. Most of you, we are going to be receiving you at DPS Nacharam for senior school. We look forward to that. But if you are not the one who is reaching DPS Nacharam campus, but is going somewhere else, for whatever reasons you wish to move out of this campus to another campus or another curriculum, you want to go to Cambridge, you want to go to IGCS, ICSE, you want to go to CBSE, or you want to go to another state, wherever you are, it's immaterial for us. You are special, and we bless you. May you achieve whatever you aspire for, and I pray and wish that all the concentration that you need for the board examinations, all the good health of mind and body that you need is yours, and you would be actually doing your best during the board examinations in an external center. All the best to each one of you. My regards and pranam to all your parents. Thanks to whom DPS Mahendra Hills is boasting of the first batch of class 10. There you're welcoming your... Aisudha ma'am, that's befitting response to your entry. Wonderful. I think that's why DPS Mahendra Hills is what it is. Because of this love and affection and respect that we get here, and the whole school symbolizes that. Thank you, Nandita ma'am and Kiranmai ma'am, and thank you to all members here. Special thanks to Sarita ma'am She may be a silent member, but you don't know every brick in the school is put with her intervention. So put your hands together to applaud DGM, HR and Administration, Sarita ma'am. Special accolades to all our dear secondary school teachers, including Nandita ma'am, who are making a difference to your academic pursuits and to ensuring that you're going to be stepping out of the portals of DPS Mahindra Hills with the best of marks memo ever possible in life. All the best and congratulations to each one of you, and congratulations to class 9 for hosting the best of farewell parties. We called it, we actually didn't call it a farewell in Nacharam because it was too early last month, but now I think it's fair enough. It's the countdown has started for you, and very soon on 15th of February, almost a month later, you're going to be embarking on the board exam journey. All the best to all of you. Keep up this cheer and be what you are, as humble and filled with gratitude and all the values that our school symbolizes. Thank you so much. As the senior principal and director, it's a day of joy for us here at DPS Mahindra Hills. This is the first batch of class 10. As a founder, headmistress of this school, and having been the principal of DPS Mahindra Hills for years, I feel so proud that today the children, having journeyed 13 years, have now come to the stage where they are ready to graduate out of class 10. I wish all our children all the successes that they deserve. I wish that they perform the best in the board examinations, that God gives them with loads of talents, good health, joy, and loads of success stories. All the best to my team from DPS Mahindra Hills.
There are students, almost 36 students who have journeyed for past 11, 12 and 13 years in the school. Out of 104, 36 children have studied in this school for past 13 years. I think that's something really proud to feel about. A school that has laid a very strong foundation, and we've had students who brought accolades from this batch, be it CBSE science exhibition at the national level, be it winning the gold medal at the Moscow aerobics, be it going to the nationals for various programs. We are looking forward to this batch bring laurels and set the stage for the future batches. And looking at the way these children are, they carry the grit, they have the focus, they are completely devoted to their own ambition in life. I wish them good luck. My pretty girls and handsome boys, you really look totally different.
मेरा नाम रंजीत कौर है और मैं यहाँ 20 साल से कार्यरत हूँ और यहाँ के का सफ़र मेरा बहुत अच्छा रहा है अभी तक का, और जो भी बच्चे अभी तक यहाँ से निकले हैं बहुत ही अच्छे पोस्ट पर रहे हैं, और ये जो बच्चे जा रहे हैं इनको भी हमारा आशीर्वाद है कि आगे चल के अपना नाम करें और स्कूल का नाम और हम सब का नाम रोशन करें।